In this video, I'll show you how to secure your Facebook account with two-factor authentication. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Tap Account Center. Under Account Center, tap Password and Security. Tap Two-Factor Authentication section. Tap Account Name. Enter password and tap Continue. Now enter the code they sent to your email and tap Continue. You'll be given two options: Authentication app, text message. I choose Authentication app because it is best option. Go to Google Play Store and search Google Authentication app. Download and install Authentication app. Tap Get Started. Continue as your Google account. Go back to Facebook and tap Next. Now copy key. Go back to Authentication app and paste the copy key. Authentication app not show allow in screen recording. Go back to Facebook and tap Next button. Now enter the code from Authentication app. That's it. You've successfully secured your Facebook account with two-factor authentication. Also, you can backup method for text message. Enter number and tap Next. Enter confirmation code from entered mobile number SMS. That's it. You've successfully secured your Facebook account with two-factor authentication. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.